Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best TV antennas available on the market. Whether you're looking to cut the cable cord, save some money, or just want access to free local channels, I've got you covered. We'll break down the features, performance, and value of each product to help you find the perfect one for your needs. All product links are in the description below, so let's dive into the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the HIDB TV antenna for Smart TV Indoor. Priced at $19.98, this compact and budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a simple solution without breaking the bank. It features omnidirectional reception, meaning it can pick up signals from a wide range of directions. The built-in smart IC chip and crystal-clear filter technology ensure a crisp 4K or 1080p HD picture quality, depending on your TV setup. The HIDB antenna is incredibly easy to install, and its small magnetic base allows you to place it discreetly on a TV stand or table. Despite its compact size, it has a maximum range of 150 miles, though this may vary based on your location and environmental factors. It's a great option for anyone in urban or suburban areas. However, while its design is sleek and it offers decent performance, the HIDB struggles in areas far from broadcast towers. It's a solid choice for the price, but if you need longer range or more advanced features, you might want to look elsewhere. Pros include its affordability, ease of installation, and compact design, while cons include limited range in rural areas and lower channel reception compared to higher-end models. At number 4, we have the most budget-friendly option on our list, the Gabyte TV Antenna Indoor Antenna for Smart TV. Coming in at just $12.79, this antenna is a fantastic choice for those looking to save money while still accessing free local channels. It boasts a range of up to 600 miles, though realistically, this will depend on your location, and supports 4K and 1080p HD picture quality. The design is lightweight and comes with an 18-foot coaxial cable, making it easy to position near windows or walls for optimal signal reception. Notably, the built-in amplifier signal booster helps enhance clarity by filtering out cellular and FM signals. This ensures a cleaner picture and fewer interruptions when watching your favorite shows. That said, the Gabyte antenna isn't without its limitations. While the price is unbeatable, the build quality feels less durable compared to higher-priced models. Additionally, the long-range claims may not hold up in rural areas or homes surrounded by many obstructions. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat, especially for city dwellers. Pros include affordability, a long cable for flexible placement, and decent amplification, while cons include a less sturdy build and inconsistent range in challenging environments. Taking the third spot is the 2025 TV Antenna Indoor Antenna for Smart TV by 88CIXIR. At $33.99, this antenna is a mid-range powerhouse with a claimed reception range of 2,200 miles. While that number may be optimistic, the 360 degrees omnidirectional reception certainly boosts its ability to capture signals from multiple directions. It supports resolutions all the way up to 8K, making it a great option for those with high-end TVs. This model features a sleek and weatherproof design, allowing for both indoor and outdoor use. It comes with a 16-foot coaxial cable and adjustable dipoles to optimize signal strength. Setup is quick and straightforward, taking just a couple of minutes. The 88CIXIR antenna is perfect for households that frequently switch between indoor and outdoor setups, like RV owners or people who enjoy outdoor events. However, some users have reported that achieving the best signal often requires trial and error in terms of placement. It's also slightly heavier than other models, which could limit mounting options. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those seeking versatility and high-definition performance. Pros include strong signal reception, 8K support, and weatherproofing, while cons include its higher price point and the need for careful placement to maximize performance. In second place, we have the HIDB 2025 Antenna for Smart TV for local channels. Priced at $28.04, this antenna strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It offers a range of up to 800 miles thanks to its upgraded IC chip and 360-degree signal reception. The antenna supports 4K and 8K resolutions, ensuring a crisp and clear viewing experience, even for high-definition content. The HIDB comes with a 16.5-foot coaxial cable, making it versatile enough for use in bedrooms, living rooms, or even RVs. Its stylish, compact design blends seamlessly into any home environment, whether mounted on a wall or placed on a table. Installation is a breeze. It takes just 1 minute to connect and scan for channels. While the HIDB antenna performs exceptionally well in urban and suburban areas, its range might be overkill if you live close to broadcast towers. It's also not as weatherproof as some other models, so outdoor use should be limited. Pros include its sleek design, excellent picture quality, and ease of installation. Cons include its sensitivity to placement and limited durability for outdoor setups. Finally, taking the top spot is the premium 2025 upgraded TV antenna indoor by Newfoot. At $47.19, this antenna is the most expensive on our list, but for good reason. It boasts an impressive 2,200-plus mile range, making it ideal for those in remote areas or homes with significant obstructions. The 360 degrees reception ensures you get the strongest signal possible, and it supports resolutions up to 8K, delivering unparalleled picture quality. The Newfoot antenna comes with a 38-foot coaxial cable, giving you maximum flexibility in placement. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with durable materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Setup is straightforward, and the sleek design fits seamlessly into any living space. While it's a high-performing antenna, the price might be a bit steep for those on a budget. Additionally, its large size may not suit all households. However, if you're looking for the best of the best and want a reliable, long-range solution, the Newfoot antenna is worth every penny. Pros include its exceptional range, 8K support, and durable design, while cons include the higher price and bulkier size. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect TV antenna for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. See you in the next video.